Welcome back, friends. Want hands-on industry experience from top companies without leaving home? For a job simulation, let you explore real jobs tasks, build essential skills, and earn certificates, all for free. In this video, I will tell you how you can earn these certificates. Today, we are going to perform Accenture's Developer and Technologies job simulation. Accenture's provided developer and technology job simulation to build an end-to-end understanding of the software development lifecycle as you experience life as an developer at Accenture's. It is a self-paced of 5 to 6 hours with no grades and no assessments. These skills we are learning in this simulation.
Hello, my name is Sharon Northey and I am a Technology Delivery Lead Manager here in Accenture in the UK. I just want to start by saying welcome. We are thrilled to bring to life the incredible and exciting work that we do here in Accenture in technology. Our work is diverse, innovative, and changing the way the world works. And in my opinion, there has never been a better time to bring creativity and passion to such a fast-paced and high-impact industry. Accenture Technology is all about changing the way businesses operate by bringing efficiencies into business operations through technologies like automation, and in this way, driving profitability. In technology, you will have an opportunity to work in different industries with different technologies, and you will be able to develop deep technology expertise. In this program, we'll take you on a journey through several different areas of technology at Accenture, providing you with the opportunity to build and apply real-world skills in your own time. We'll spend a bit of time up front debunking some of those common myths about working in the sector, and I encourage you to have an open mind and challenge your pre-existing views about the work in this space. You will then go on to complete tasks covering the software development lifecycle, testing and methodologies, and finally, you will learn a bit about algorithm thinking. Completing this program will help you to feel more prepared and confident for your future application to Accenture. You'll earn a completion certificate, and you can add the experience as an extracurriculum activity to your resume to help your application stand out to the Accenture recruitment team. We are excited for you to join our community of thousands of other learners who are already benefiting from these programs, and we look forward to working with you.
There are total 7 tasks in this tour. Let's get started. Now our first task is to discover career opportunities in technology. In this task, we learn the realities of tech careers and the roles available, and meet an industry expert and create a creative project using digital tools.
Hello, and welcome to our Accenture Technology Virtual Experience Program. My name is Felicity, and I'm a product owner here at Accenture. I serve our clients by understanding their market, their requirements, and translating them into a product backlog, which is then prioritized by me and worked on by our software development teams. And at the end of the day, my aim is to help our clients build products that will deliver the greatest value and meet their needs. And I commend you on your interest in a career in technology. And at this early point in your career journey, it might feel a little bit scary, a little bit intimidating to imagine yourself as a key player in a technology role. So this first task is designed to help you clear up some misconceptions about careers in technology, as well as highlight the benefits and opportunities available to anyone who aspires to work in this exciting and rewarding field. Because this is truly an amazing time to work in technology, from machine learning, artificial intelligence, quantum computing, blockchain, mobile enablement, Internet of Things. The opportunities to excel in a career in technology have never been better. And not just in software development or engineering, there are so many available roles in technology that don't involve writing code. From being a business analyst to a user experience designer to a product manager to a project manager, you'll find that people skills are just as important as writing code or other technical skills in a technology career. Technology also presents a more equitable career opportunity for underrepresented people, including women and people of colour. At Accenture, we pride ourselves on building inclusive and diverse teams who work at the forefront of innovative technology utilisation for our teams and our clients, bringing innovation, technology skills, and industry knowledge together to help our clients innovate at scale and grow their businesses.
Now it's our task time. Our task is to do some research online and find information to answer the following questions. First question is, what are some scary myths about career in technology? Then second question is, what are the different roles in technology, both primarily technical and primarily non-technical? Third question is, what are the benefits of a career in technology? And the fourth one is, how can technology careers be more inclusive of underrepresented people? They provided us some resources here. And an idea board template which we have to use in our task. I already created an idea board using Microsoft Whiteboard. You can get the link from the description. Congratulations, you just completed task 1. Now the task 2 is software development lifecycle. Here we discover the origins and practical use of the software development lifecycle in real projects. Explore current tech trends like DevOps and connect them to software development processes.
Welcome to Task 2. In Task 1, you learn about the many great opportunities for a career in technology, including a wide variety of different roles you play as part of the broader technology team. Some of those roles are more technical, like a full stack developer or a DevOps engineer. Some of them less technical, like a product manager or a business analyst. But all of them are as important as each other in achieving the ultimate goal of designing, building, implementing, operating, and maintaining information system capabilities for our clients that meets their needs and their budget and gives them the innovative and competitive edge they need to win in their markets. Now, to do that efficiently and effectively, the technology team members, our various technology partners and suppliers, and our clients all need to be on the same page, working together on an agreed strategy and plan. The overarching framework for that is called the Software Development Lifecycle, or SDLC. In this task, you will learn more about the SDLC and analyse the current trends in software development.
Here they provided us a template which we want to use for this task. Here our task is to do some research on the given topics they given and create analysis based on their template. I already created an answer for this task by using their template. You can check this out from the description. Congratulations on completing their task number 2. Task 3 is software development methodologies, which includes waterfall and agile. Here we learn how waterfall and agile development methods originated and what makes each unique. Create the presentation comparing waterfall and agile using the example of building a house.
Welcome to task 3. In the last task, you learned about the stages of the software development lifecycle and the benefits of utilizing that framework to develop high quality software. As a framework, the SDLC helps provide some structure and an overall strategy at a high level, but how is the software development process actually implemented? Well, over the last 50 years, a variety of specific implementation methodologies have been developed. The two most common are those known as the waterfall method and the agile method. Agile is perhaps the most popular method over the last 20 years, but the waterfall method is still used when projects benefit from its strengths. In this task, you will learn about these two major software development methodologies and analyze their advantages and disadvantages and the kinds of projects for which each is best suited. Let's get started.
Let's learn about waterfall. The waterfall model is a linear, sequential software development process where each phase is completed before moving to the next. Introducing Agile. Agile is an iterative and flexible software development approach that emphasizes collaboration, customer feedback, and rapid delivery of small functional parts. Our task is to identify the pros, cons, and impacts of each methodology on a project to build a house. I already created an answer for this task by using their template. You can check this out from the description. Congratulations on completing their task number 2. Here is our task number 4, the software testing lifecycle. Here we will learn about develop our understanding of the software testing lifecycle and its advantages and disadvantages. Here we have to do the software testing lifecycles drag and drop
Welcome to
exercises.
task 4. In the last two tasks, you learned about the stages of the software development lifecycle and the benefits of utilizing that framework to develop high quality software. In fact, one of the most important components of the SDLC is testing, or more broadly, software quality assurance. You won't delight your client and meet or exceed their expectations if you build technology that does not meet its requirements or has defects in the functionality, usability, or reliability. You need an effective process to ensure software quality. Now, the set of activities that make up software quality assurance is called the Software Testing Lifecycle, or STLC. Using both manual methods and automated tools, members of the development team, the QA testing team, the security team, and others conduct testing at different stages of the development lifecycle so that quality is built in all along the way and defects are found and corrected as early in the development cycle as possible. In this task, you will learn about the software testing lifecycle, the different types and levels of testing, and the advantages and disadvantages of manual versus automated testing.
Now, what is the software testing lifecycle? The software testing lifecycle is a conceptual framework and process model for describing all the activities involved in the process to ensure software actually does what it was designed to do without defects and support the development team in correcting defects. This assurance is called a validation. Automated testing includes advantages like faster to execute testing, can perform many test scripts in parallel, then faster to production deployment and go live, and disadvantages like more expensive upfront, complex technical infrastructure to maintain, doesn't catch usability issues. Now here we have to perform their task by using their given resources. Here, our first question is identify the pros and cons of automated versus manual software testing. Closest to real world use is the example of manual software testing. Requires technical or coding skills is disadvantage of automated software testing. More reliable, less human error is the advantage of automated software testing. Takes longer and requires more people is the disadvantage of manual software testing. Now the second question is identify which types of testing are best done or not recommended for automated or manual software testing. Regression testing is not recommended for manual software testing. Performance and load testing is best used for automated software testing. Usability testing is best used for manual software testing. Exploratory and ad hoc testing is not recommended for automated software testing. Congratulations, now you had completed 4 tasks. Now it's task number 5, algorithmic thinking. Here we learn about what an algorithm is and build our understanding of algorithmic thinking. Here we have to design our own algorithm using pseudocode and visualize our algorithm by drawing a flow diagram.
Welcome to task 5. In the last 3 tasks, you've learned about the stages of the software development and testing life cycles and the 2 most common software development methodologies, the waterfall and agile methods. These lifecycle models and methodologies provide the operating framework for organizing diverse teams and activities to deliver high-quality software to the client. But how is software actually written? How do you learn how to code well? Well, the first step is not learning a programming language, but rather to learn to think like a programmer or coder. Coding requires a systematic way of thinking about problem solving called computational thinking, which blends critical thinking with creativity to arrive to solutions to complex problems. Problems are broken down into smaller, easier parts and then solved by designing logical, reproducible step-by-step processes that computers can follow, called algorithms. Algorithmic thinking is the core skill needed to think like a programmer. If you can master the art of algorithmic thinking, you'll be ready to tackle learning any programming language. Well, in this task, you will practice algorithmic thinking by writing your own algorithm and visualizing this with a flow diagram.
Now, what is computational thinking? It is a structured problem-solving approach that starts with the problem statement and ends with a set of logical steps that can be followed by humans or computers to produce the desired output. Here, we have to design an algorithm for a cup of tea by using their template below. I already created the answer of this task by using their given template, so you can check that out from the description. Congratulations on completing task number 5. Task number 6 is code debugging. Here we have to debug the code of Python.
Welcome to task 6. In task 5, you took the first step in learning to code well by learning to think like a coder using algorithmic thinking. Great job. You practiced writing an algorithm both visually in a flow diagram and then in pseudocode, and you used one of the most common logical functions in coding to do it, the if, then, else function. If you have written code before, then that exercise is relatively simple and straightforward. But even if it was your very first time ever writing an algorithm, the great news is, with just that skill, you are already well on your way to learning code. In fact, you already have the hard part done. If you get the algorithm and its logic right, the actual code largely takes care of itself. You just have to learn to express your algorithm in the specific syntax, unique vocabulary and grammar for the particular programming language you're using. But we're all human, and human makes mistakes, even those fearless technology career seekers who learn to write code. Inevitably, newly written code will contain errors, and those errors will have to be found and be corrected. This process is called debugging and makes up large portions of a code writer's time. Indeed, a great coder is not someone who magically avoids writing any code errors, but rather someone who finds and corrects them quickly. Becoming a skilled code debugger will make you a technology project hero.
Let's understand debugging. The term bug means a malfunction in the code. We have to perform some operation to remove such bugs from the code, which is also known as debugging. To debug a code, there is a variety of techniques. It includes input simplification, stepping, backtracking, output statement tracing, and divide and conquer. Our task here is we have to debug a Python code which they have given in their template. I've already created the answer of this task, so you can check that out from the description. Congratulations on completing the task number 6. Now we are heading to our last task. Time for the last task, the knowledge check. Here we have to perform some quizzes.
Congratulations on reaching the last task in the series. You've analysed opportunities for careers in technology, current trends in software development, learnt about structured methodologies in development and testing, explored algorithmic thinking, and practiced a little code debugging. Hopefully you have some new perspectives to help you consider your future career path options. Your last task is now to demonstrate what you've learned by taking a short quiz. Use it to see which areas you have a good working knowledge base and which you need to develop your knowledge base a little bit further. I hope you become a champion and a hero for great software development, no matter where your career takes you. Good luck and happy learning.
Now our final task is started. Question number 1 is, does software development require advanced math skills? And the answer is option number 2. No, you need good structured problem solving skills, but advanced math isn't required. Question 2 is, are all careers in technology technical roles? And the answer is option number 4. No, there are many non-technical roles in technology, even in software development. Question number 3 is, what best describes some of the benefits of career in technology? And the answer of this question is option number 3. Flexible work arrangement, transferable skills, and higher salaries with greater potential for salary equity. Question number 4 is, waterfall and agile are two commonly used implementation of what? Answer is software development lifecycle. Question 5 is, what is a current trend in technology that will affect software development? Answer of this question is all of the above. Question 6 is, the set of activities that make up software quality assurance is called what? Answer is the software testing lifecycle. Question 7 is, what are the benefits of using the software testing lifecycle? The answer is option number 3. Higher quality software delivered soon. Question 8 is the what is regression testing? Answer is option number 3, systematic retesting after a modification is made. Question 9 is the what kind of testing is best for usability? The answer is option number 4, manual testing. Question 10 is the what are the key characteristics of the waterfall methodology? The answer is all of the above. Question 11 is the what are the key characteristics of the agile methodology? The answer is all of the above. Question 12 is what is an algorithm? Answer is a list or diagram of process steps. Option 1. Question 13 is what is unified modeling language? UML. Answer is option number 3, standard symbols for flow diagramming. Question 14 is what is pseudocode? Answer is option number 1, the steps in an algorithm written in plain language but organized like the syntax of a programming language. Question number 15, what is the minimum viable product? Answer is option number 2, the minimum functionality required to meet a customer need and gather customer feedback on it. Last quiz question is, what are the types of error that need debugging? Answer is option number 3, syntax, logic and runtime. Congratulations on completing all the tasks. Here is the resume snippet. Then interview tips. You can add your certificate to your LinkedIn profile, share with your network. Here is your certificate. Thank you for always giving support to my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hype this video. Goodbye.